Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to review how to use the Horizon 12 cycle label. How to use the Horizon 12 cycle label. Your Horizon 12 centrifuge arrives with an erasable label that allows you to identify your programmed cycles by the name you prefer to use in the lab. This label is applied to the centrifuge, allowing for easy recording of cycle parameters. It is labeled with 1, 2, and 3, corresponding to the cycle labels on the centrifuge. This label is placed on the top of the centrifuge, just above the front panel. Use a permanent marker to write your desired cycle names. Permanent markers won't be erased when the centrifuge is cleaned with the recommended 5500 ppm bleach solution. To erase the label, use rubbing alcohol. Avoid using alcohol to disinfect your centrifuge if you are using the cycle label. For extra erasure protection, transparent tape can be applied over the label. Remember, you don't have to use the cycle label. It's your choice. If you have any other questions about the Horizon 12, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.